Hi there. So I will be demonstrating the integration of a Gmail account with our omnichannel product. This is the account intelliconpreprod@gmail.com. As it can be seen here that there is no third-party connection made with this account. We are going to make one right now. So this is the admin panel of our omnichannel product. I will be clicking on add new and then on the Gmail option over here. We can see that multiple Gmail accounts that have been connected at this browser are visible over here. I'll be selecting my desired account. Now, since the app is not yet verified with Google, we need to bypass it over here. Once done, Google asks for the access info. I'll continue with it. Now, these are the permissions that need to be granted to Intellicon in Contextgrid. I'll grant all of these permissions and then continue. Now it can be seen that the email is integrated over here. Let me just activate it. Once it's activated, I'll have to assign it the queue and IntelliFlow. Now I am able to receive inbound emails, and once I connect it over here with the queue, I'll also be able to send the outbound emails. This is the current inbox for my intelliconpreprod@gmail.com email. Let me just send an email. Now I have sent an email from a different Gmail account. As it can be seen, this email is going to land in the inbox over here. There we can see it. Now, if I log into the agent account for the Intellicon platform, I would be able to see the email here as well, right here. So once I accept this, it can be seen that this email has been received at intelliconpreprod@gmail.com and sent from this email. Now I'll also be able to reply to this email. Now let's refresh this and check that the third-party connection has been established right here within Telecon. So I was able to send the email as well. For inbound emails, we are using IMAP, and for outbound emails, we are using SMTP. Thank you so much.